Let go, sir. Find out that you really with her. Put a knife with their words. Spurs, goals, things, and drain. Not single one. Dollars made. All the race. Just always a small thing to all your days. I get paid. I'm falling in. Cause I'm falling in. Running trash on stage. Make your name with the shit. Just your bases. I hate. I'll raise the space on this place. I'ma waste your crates and your yank. Another fucking place will be safer. I'ma say that it's scraped in my nature to taste the. Right? What? God, wish you right. But I'll be damned if I let you manage to bless that blade and keep it in the package. Look, man, yeah, you shook my hand, but that was back then. We're not good, fam. I'm the fool, cause I started to be cool with them, but I got schooled in the I'm the only one that walked away. Look around, everybody gone today. You all alone with your empty chest, so bury the bones with any regrets and keep those skeletons piled in stacks. Just take your medicine, fight your fast. I tried to make a difference. So I won't waste mine trying to go into what it isn't. Don't call, don't. You're not the homie anymore. The only thing that you can say. Doing division, don't even ask how I can. It's a fucking highway. Let's go. And I'ma remember your last impression. Get off your phone! Tell how fast I'm going by how fast that little stripes are flying by. Probably. They're going by pretty fast, aren't they? Yeah. Know me. I'm a crazy fucker. But I know what I'm doing. I'm looking, my friend. Excuse me! Coming through! You're in the fast lane, and you're not passing anything. You know what you're doing? All right. What's up with that? Get the fuck out of my way! What's up with that, baby? There's a rule in Missouri. It's an ambush. It says you're supposed to look at your rear view mirror at least once
the fuck out of my way!
That's what the big in the morning grub
You
is.
get off!
And even though icons is lovely, tonight the plan is gonna be a must-see, cause hussies are coming to give up their lives. Just trust me.
What the hell do old fucking senior citizens think they belong to the fucking fast lane for? God damn it.
We love free. He sucked me, cussed me, then roughly wrote this feeling like a huffy. Look.